Hi, I'm Margo Weishar, founder of Springhouse Dermatology, and I want to welcome you to our exciting Sofwave event. We have a lot to talk about, a lot to tell you about this really wonderful technology, and I want to remind you all to wait until the end of the presentation when we're going to have a live Q&A, and we're going to be talking about any questions that come up and presenting a couple of specials only for our attendees. See you there. Sofwave is a new technology featuring ultrasound. Sofwave uses ultrasound waves that are targeting the first 1.5 millimeters of the skin. So it does not go deeply under the surface of the skin, but focuses on the skin itself to cause a lifting and tightening effect. And the reason I wanted Sofwave for my patients is we have a lot of procedures that require downtime, a lot of procedures that can improve the way the skin looks, but we were really missing a device that can be used for the patient with an early bit of sagging of the skin, all the way up to somebody who has already experienced significant decrease in skin tone. So Sofwave can help improve these patients across the board, and it serves a great purpose in our practice as a great adjunct to what we already offer. So there are other ultrasound devices. Some of you may be familiar or may been treated already with Ultherapy. So Ultherapy is our other ultrasound-based device. And the difference between Sofwave and Ultherapy is that Ultherapy targets much more deeply into the skin and therefore is a more uncomfortable procedure. And it is a procedure that is really meant for people who have moderate to severe needs. Whereas we were finding a lot of our younger patients who are just starting to see some laxity of their skin, some sagging of their skin, needed something not as intense as that procedure that will help restore their appearance and help bring back the glow of their skin. So Sofwave, because it's targeted very superficially, can do that. And so it really has a huge application across the board in our practice. So Sofwave can be used for the entire face and neck. It can be used off the face as well, and there are many new applications that are coming down the pike for different areas of the body. We can target just the lower face and jawline. Sofwave can target areas of crepiness, let's say on the neck. It can help to tighten up those areas. It can help to lift the jawline and redefine the jawline. It can help to lift brows and give a more open look around the eyes. So I think the best candidates for Sofwave are people who are going to start out with mild to moderate amounts of laxity of their skin. They're going to get a really great result with the Sofwave treatment. However, Sofwave can also be used for people who have more moderate to severe laxity. It may have to be done a little bit more frequently in order to maintain that, but you can certainly still get very good, very noticeable results. One of the great things about Sofwave is that there's virtually no downtime. I've had the procedure myself, and I will tell you that it was very comfortable, and I saw some results happen pretty much right away after the procedure, but the results will continue to improve for 3 to 6 months. Sofwave can be repeated after a certain amount of time, and when we see you for your consultation, we can talk with a little bit more about the details of when we would expect to require a next treatment.
So Liz is coming in today because she is bothered by her nasal labial folds. And so we chatted a bit about Sofwave, and now I just wanted to go in and show you where we would place the squares that we'd end up doing the treatment.
thank you so much for being here and learning about our Sofwave. And I want to remind you that you are going to get a text after the presentation is over. And please reply back to that if you'd like to book a consultation, and somebody will reach out to you. Also, please stay and join us after the presentation is over for a live Q&A. I will be here answering your questions. And also, we will be announcing a few specials for our attendees. So look forward to seeing you there.